your new Toyota Starlet Cross. Own it.
It is good to be powered by World Sports Betting. It is good times at co.za. Say songa yonke lento ngoku. You can sense the energy with the players as well that this thing is done and dusted. It's all over. Mamelodi Sundowns, one more point needed to win the Betway Premiership. That is a mathematical possibility, but we already know in reality that really they've long won the league, particularly maybe when they met Orlando Pirates at Loftus Stadium, if I'm not mistaken, or the Lucas Massapisis Morepo Stadium in Pretoria. That was the end of the league title. Just a quick one. We will be back on Saturday now. You can enjoy the matches midweek. It's a repeat of these midweek matches we've covered. It's Pirates or Golden Arrows. It's cheaper Sundowns. So you'll catch us on Saturday now. Sundowns here, easy peasy really. Let's wrap it up, Mr. So-and-so, in 8 minutes. To summarize it, the season is fiddling out. You can feel the players as well. It's even difficult to cover them because you can see that the application, the South Africans, even at work, South Africans, Masakshaya Boma 3, 4, Umunta Galindo 5. They buy a clock after lunch mentally. Naba, Ngumei, Yapele season, but clock. Well done to Sundowns.
Well done, Gabrielo.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but I would say they put themselves in this position where we have to wait until now, because of how they run the things in the team, and it took them normally by this time. Before they be playing December.
But it's not Pirates. So.
Yeah, no, Pirates they did very well.
They did very well. Make it look competitive, and
yes. Not
just to look, but Bebezam compete. Yeah, but it's not the Pirates because it made it a more interesting league than it was last year, the year before. Yeah. The last interesting one was Middendorp, 2020, where Chiefs lost it on the last day. Yes. So it's been 4 or 5 consecutive years where it was domination by one team. So it's not the Pirates. But the Sundowns, I agree with you that maybe they could have wrapped it up way earlier. Yeah, Mr. Kiwi. Look, the Pirates, they did very well. And at some point, they were in the driving seat. Yeah. And I don't know what happened to the team, and things started to change, and then Sundowns, they come back, and then they did what they do best. This is what they do best. Played beautiful football, creating chances, scoring goals, and they didn't stop. Yes. One thing that I like, it's how they bounce back in Sundowns, Mr. Kyo. Because if you can remember with Coach Mangoba, things they didn't work Sundowns, and I even said if this is how Sundowns are gonna take their road, then that means Pirates, they're gonna win the league, and they've changed. Now Cardoso came in, and then they started to pick up the pieces, try to find all the good points that Sundowns they did last season, and here they are. I would say, today I will give them with a Betway champions because of there's nothing more. There's no way they'll lose the next two. They just need one more point, basically. Yeah. Also, even Naglo 1 point. If on Tuesday, I don't know if Paris is playing on Tuesday. If Paris loses, then it's all over. So quickly, maybe to describe the goals, the ones especially in the first half. There was an interesting one where it's an indirect free kick. Yes. What do you make of that moment, and also the brilliance of Ribeiro for the second goal? Mr. Geo, number one, let's start with the pass. Can we try and calling a pass? Let's start with the pass. Number one, you goalkeeper. Umasulu is on the left. Instead of putting your leg left, and then it was almost an own goal. Yes, lad, I like his reaction after the Shaipa, with Malit, and then Walbamba. Then that's a foul. And then one thing that I would say, well done to the referee. He was in the game. His mind was in the game. He saw everything. It was a big pass. From there, was save Masulu Payan. He remembered originally it was a big pass. Yeah. So it means that's an indirect free kick. Now let's try and do a demonstration. Yeah. It's me and you. Yes. We are on the line. It's Stellenbosch. We're 11 people on the line. Yes. Ngakule camera le Sundowns is gonna take the indirect free kick. Yes. We already know which someone has to touch it first. Yes. So ngeke bayikhahlele directly. Yini thina esipoqayo ukuthi njengoba yimi nawe kanje As soon as they touch the ball,
Then
why
you
don't
just-
you close the
Yes.
angle? Like, ivaleke. Whatever they do there, mangabe ingena kwimbobo lapha phakathi kwethu, okay, it's fine.
Yeah.
But they didn't even get close to that ball. What happened there?
Mr. Kewu, they made it easier for Sundowns because Sundowns, babonile ukuthi these guys, no one wants to move in the line. They're standing there in the line. What it's worrying me and kakhulu, and I don't know ukuthi izosuka kanjani in my mind. Umasuluke ula phambili. So that means these guys already baku 6 yard because the ball was just here, 6 that year. So that means Masuluke makala uku 4 or 5 yard. So that means he's very closer to the action. So now I'm saying, Masuluke, when you're watching there, you can see who's the player who's going to take the ball. Definitely sure he was not going to kick it on the ground. He's going to go up. So Milangiti Masuluke makaya lapa, why he didn't dive to his right side? Because Ribeiro was going to take it on the left. Obviously, my touch on the left, unless if Ribeiro will change, then there's nothing else. But now he just went straight. Ribeiro, and that's why I'm saying, he was more closer to like everybody else.
It was not 12 years out.
Mamela, not 12.
Not
it was
10
6,
years.
not 10 yards. It was 6 yards. And for him, I think he was 4 yards to the ball. So it was, these are the things that I always say, Mr. Nkewu. When we are training as coaches, and if other coaches maybe they don't take it serious, but I want them to take it serious. It's very important, Mr. Nkewu, that things like this, you practice them. What if it happened?
What if we consider a red card?
In that action, so pass or either maybe tackle, whatever the case may be, go on action again. How do we defend it? Goalkeeper, or how are you playing your role in that? And you guys, what is that you need to do? Because I believe if they practice things like this, then it make a difference in the game. I'm getting worried with how the transitions of the game and I don't see a positive response from the coaches and the players, because if I have a red card, here's the team to red card. How do you adjust? When with a red card, how do you adjust? When that you've got an extra man, how do you adjust? Also, you find it, they just play normal game.
That's what you get when you have cheese boys playing football, because most of these players, they're not gonna die if they're not playing football. Yeah, but like with you guys, you had to change. You had to buy your mother a house.
Yeah.
You had to change the same worker, and almost all PSL players back in the day, 15 years ago, 30 years ago, 45 years ago, all of them, they had to. If this thing didn't work out, then they were gonna have to go and work in the construction or whatever. Most of these guys, some of them are educated, some of them are cheese boys and cheese girls. Anyways, though. Like I said, the spirit of this game for me, it just looks like we've wrapped up the season. Now, in the spirit of wrapping up the season, let's do something interesting. Don't think too much about it, but yeah, play along. Who is your goalkeeper of the season? You don't have a wrong or right answer. Your instinct, what does it tell you?
Williams.
Ronwen Williams. Who is your defender of the season? Don't have to complicate it, think about it too much. No one is going to kill you for this.
I'll give Kekana.
Grant Kekana.
Yes, Grant Kekana.
Okay. Your midfielder of the season?
Mokoena.
Tebogo Mokoena.
Yes.
Your, what is after midfield of the season? Young player of the season?
Young player of the season in Ngeza Mufukeng.
Relebohile Mofokeng.
Yes.
Your player of the season, who will the other players vote for?
Player of the season I gave to Mufukeng. And then the player of the season I gave to Ribeiro.
All right, so in that order for you.
Yes.
Lastly, who's going to be your coach of the season? And Kumbulo, it's about the Betway league. Ikamala Betway Premiership Coach of the season.
Unfortunately, it's when you win the Betway Premiership, you're the coach of the season. Doesn't matter now whether you've played 5 games, you've played 8 games, but now because you've won the Betway Premiership, you have to get that. If it was not about that, then I was gonna give it to Puti because I believe that he did very well last season and this season.
Not Jose, but Puti.
No.
Une recency bias. Yazi yini recency bias.
Yeah.
Ukhumbula into yokugcina oyibonile. So just because Jose ushaye ku-final,
No.
it takes it away, like you are dismissing him. Just because you've just watched Ukekana today, you are forgetting about Sesan and about Sibisi.
No, they did well, Mr. K. You know, the thing is that unfortunately you have to choose one. That's
Yeah,
the sad
for sure,
part.
100%.
You know, but if I had to decide. Jose, the thing is that he didn't win the league, win the amateur
Yeah, for sure.
Then he's gonna be a coach of MTN 80, you know, and whatever is Villa. Same applies to Utlantin Lasin Lapana Kesi when he won Ilotuzana Kaling. He's gonna be that coach of Kaling. Now unabi manje won Nedbank izolo. So uzoba uyi coach Nedbank Cup.
Are you coach of the Nedbank Cup?
So, yes.
Yeah, but exclude abona ku Betway Premier.
Yes, it takes them out. So, you know, Mr. K, it's something that we can debate about it.
But what's on instinct right now? Who's your coach of the season?
Mr. K, we know.
Well, you already said the league.
Yeah,
or you're not sure?
Look, no. Cardoso is the coach of the season. Done. He won the Betway Premiership.
Okay. But you said your number 2 would have been Puti Mohafe.
Yeah, well, I will, you know, Jose is also there because
he's number 2. That's the thing.
Yes, number 2. So he also deserves Guti Nai Abalo Lapana. But and the sad part is that Guti, you've never won the Betway. So the one who've won the Betway, he's the coach of the season.
All right, let's wrap it up. Congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns.
Kabuyelo. Congratulations to Iminwana Pezulu.
What did you buy from the money you used to earn at Sundowns? Do you remember? Did you buy a Rolls Royce?
No, I didn't buy a Rolls Royce.
Did you buy a Bentley?
No.
When you were at Sundowns, when I was at Diski TV, I will remember that I bought this house. The one that all of us are in. So one day in future, I will say, at least when I started something called Diski TV with my friend Jason Aker, I bought a house in a semi-decent suburb. Ne?
Yeah.
When you were playing for Sundowns, what do you remember you bought? You were like, I bought this thing.
No, I bought a house at Kyla Mitlen.
Mr. So-and-so.
Yeah, I was there, Kyla Mitlen, I stayed La Payana.
Do you remember how much was it?
I think it was about, if I'm not mistaken, about maybe 1.5 to 2 meters, somewhere there.
The houses were cheaper at that time, didn't
Yeah, no, that time, Mr. K.
10 years ago, houses were cheaper.
Yeah, somewhere. But even
Isn't
now,
Kyalami an exclusive place?
No, it was a Kyla Mitlen, like a new, also, it was a new development also. Yeah, so they had beautiful houses, but today I think the houses they're worth about 3-4 million on that side. Yeah, so yeah, I had the house that side.
Okay, so ngemali Sundowns nalabadlali ke they might as well buy themselves houses.
Yeah, no, now with the way things are happening, I think it's very easy.
A billion Club World Cup just for participating.
No, it's done. Not even the billion. I mean, they've won AFL, they've won a league about in 3 times in the row. So they do have, and yeah, they do have, Mr. K.
There you go. Thank you so much, Mr. So-and-so. It's great to learn from experienced people. So these players also don't have an excuse. When you're at Sundowns, you get the big bucks, and when you have the big bucks, you're supposed to buy yourself life-changing items. Itiski Times also spitting. For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.